This video is about sorting data from left to right and right to left using custom list in Excel. Here in this sheet, we have the sample sales data of a company. Sales figure for a particular month can be found under the corresponding column header, and you may have noticed this data is not in order. The month of March comes after November, January after August, and so on. Now let's see how to sort this sales data in the order of months in the Gregorian calendar, that is January, February, March, and so on. For that, select the range of cells containing data, that is the cells from B1 to M11. Go to Data tab, click on Sort. Here we have to specify three criteria. First one is sort by row or column, second is sort on, then the order. For the first criteria, the default sort setting is for column. We have to change it to row. For that, click on Options. Select the radio button for sort left to right. Click OK. Now it's row here. Here we have to specify the row number. We are going to sort the data on the basis of months, and first row contains the months. So we have to sort the data by row number 1. Click on the drop-down menu against the label Sort By. Select the row 1. Second criteria is sort on. Sorting will be on the basis of values, so nothing to be changed in the section for sort on. Move to the next criteria. Third criteria is order. Click on the drop-down menu under Order. Here we have three options: A to Z, Z to A, and Custom List. Click on Custom List. And here we have the database of custom lists in my copy of Excel. These first 4 items listed here are predefined lists, and every copy of Excel will have it. If you are not familiar with custom list, I recommend you to watch my video on the same, how to create a custom list, and different uses of custom list are explained in that video. I will select this 4th list, which contains the Gregorian calendar months in order. All 12 months from January to December are listed here. Click OK. By doing that, we have assigned the third criteria, order, to a custom list containing months of an year in the order January, February, March, and so on. Once again, click OK. And the data is sorted in the order of months, January, February, March, and so on. If you want this data to be sorted in the reverse order of months, select Data, click on Sort, click on the drop-down menu under Order, and here we have a new option, which is the reverse order of the custom list, otherwise predefined list for months. That is December, November, October. Select this list containing months in reverse order. Click OK. Now the data is sorted in the reverse order of months. You can use the custom list for sorting the data in vertical direction too. This is again a sample sales data for a particular type of product. To sort this data in the order of this list here, that is Snickers, Mars, Bounty, and Galaxy, select the whole data. I will use the shortcut Ctrl A for that. Click on Sort. First criteria is Sort By. Here we have to specify the column. We want the data to be sorted on the basis of products. Select the column for product. Click on the drop-down menu under Order. Click on Custom List. We have to create a new list here. I will type in Snickers, Mars, Bounty, Galaxy. Click on Add. And here we have our new custom list. Click OK. Once again, click OK to sort the data. And the data is sorted on the basis of our custom list. First comes Snickers, then Mars, Bounty, and then Galaxy. Now to sort the same data in the reverse order of our custom list, select a cell in the data range, click on sort. Excel has automatically detected the data range. Now we have to change the order of sort. Click on the drop down menu under order. Select the option which contains our custom list in reverse order, that is Galaxy, Bounty, Mars and Snickers. Click OK. And we have sorted the data in the reverse order of our custom list. Galaxy comes first, Bounty, Mars and then Snickers. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.